So in this vehicle, we do have this pamphlet here along with a kit to retain the factory microphone. We have for the two different vehicles here that are compatible with the LEX5 or two different sets of vehicles. This one is a Prius that we're working on, so we've got a 40-pin connector here, and we'll be connecting to these wires here. So if we look at all of the display connectors up here, we've got the 40-pin connector right here. And we're looking for the green and red wire, which are going to be right here on the top. Yeah, it'll be these ones right here. So we'll connect the P-taps to these and show you how to do that. So we've got our harness here with our 3.5mm jack here for the microphone. And then on the other end, we've got our two wires that'll be P-tap to the factory microphone wires. We're going to take our P-taps here and show you how to do this. We're going to undo the top part here. And then you're going to insert that over the wire, which we've already stripped down just a tiny bit here. And then you'll take the base and you're going to insert that in here. And then you're going to tighten it down. And it might be a little hard to tighten, which is fine. It just means it's holding the wire in place well. And if you tug on it like that and it doesn't come out, then you've done everything correctly. We'll move on to this side here. Go. And these are properly connected now. As you can see, there's no bare wires showing out of the tops of them. All the bare wire is down in the P-tap itself. Today we're doing an install in a 2008 Lexus GX470. We're connecting the factory microphone in here for the LEX5 SKU. And we wanted to go over the two wires here that we connect for the factory microphone. On here for this one we're using the 40-pin connector, and it's saying that the green wire is in pin 2 and the red wire is in pin 3, but in this case, in this vehicle, they're flipped on here, so we'll show you that. So as we can see here, pin slot number 2 is red instead of green, but it's still our mic positive. So we've got our red wire from our microphone harness here connected to the red wire. And then the green wire is in pin slot 3 instead of 2, but it's still our microphone negative in pin slot 3. So that's going to be our black wire here. So just make sure you're going off the pin number and not exactly the color. Today we're working on a 2009 Lexus LS460. We're going to be connecting the factory microphone here to the 28-pin connector. So we've got our sheet here, and then we're in the vehicle, so we'll show you how to find these wires and connect them. Alright, so we've got our 28-pin connector here. We're looking for pin slots 10 and 11, which are going to be these two right here, the yellow and brown wire. So in this case, our wire right here, the brown one is going to be our negative, and the yellow wire is going to be our positive. So we're going to correspond that to these here. Our red is our positive and black is negative. So we'll connect these now to these, and to do that we will unscrew this side right here and attach that to our positive wire. So we're going to turn it around like this, and then we're going to thread this side on. And then now that that's on there tight, we'll move on to our negative wire. So we'll unscrew this top. And we're going to be connecting it to the brown wire for our negative. There we go. Now we've got both of those connected, and we'll move on with the rest of our installation. So we've run the 3.5mm jack for our factory microphone to the V-line here, then we've cable managed it all up with the factory harness, and now we'll just connect that into the microphone slot, and now we can use the factory microphone on the V-Lite.